Dublin.
At around 4 p.m., the winds began to get stronger.
Yeah.
So our neighbor came in
Yeah.
to take us to his house. We went there, and around 8 p.m., our neighbor's roof also flew off. So we were told to get into a room. In that small room, there was a bed. There were 18 people altogether. From that 18 people, there were 11 children. One of them was a 2-month-old, and one was a 6-month-old. So they were put under the bed with an aunt of mine who has an amputated foot. They were priorities to us, so they were put there. And there was a table in the sitting room. We were with our staff nurse in the room, so she told me to get a table from the sitting room for the rest of the kids to be put under. So there was the table with the staff nurse and the rest of the kids. My son had nowhere to be put, so I just opened a nearby suitcase and I just put him inside.
How are you?
We would like to say thank you and a very pinakabakalimu for the donation. And in difficult times, we want to once again say thank you and pinakabakalimu.
Naitago kimwili lautiki au turan korena korero. Ni sarai tungo na badada ni dange terana korongo. na buni batata enga taka po oyasa babinata ka din siya ni palagay doon ng bulan doon tamata may eliki ni rusul ko na bal sinindebo terus ka din na ni pala na korongo ka sa sigatalin doon nakakin nagay Raida, meron na bulan ni Otibando Saranga, nagkambalit na nakakana na may ninguno sa botsun bangay ruan na tani. May ngarabat siguro na korongo na kinabo, eraway tuikir ito. Na ni mamita ni Wai, kaya may kinan na bebo kaya ni matantu, kaya mami sanga pa yan doon na bebal, kaya may balang kay tungo. May tulong siguro na kena evacuation center doy Tsugaitake, doy Lomo, doy namuan na Iran Nikor ka nangonongo ese tawat siguro to na evacuation center kan misang may babinakata kina roman nga kina na mode kina kana kimsa bakra kini solatin kau so nakaba ni bali pobol ni kam kememi sa tebukina nimber ni gaya may na webuka di matantu banu nitu ni na gairungo di na non ratangin na leon koruer ena non ra bukimai ena lenga era mai sutra kau banu nitu nina dona si sudu binaka dona tosi ni embag binaka enda na maruta enambag da sabali
so we can stand like that for the spear guns and flippers and diving what is the go-go's like that. Some help from our source of income is fish. We are the fishermen.
Let me talk to the fisheries people and we'll see what they can do.
Thank you. Some of our boat too were damaged in the cyclone.
Also, all the food rations are also being given out. I understand some came here before. You got some food before. So there should be some coming along. But we've also coordinating with a lot of the NGOs. Because a lot of people are bringing in, food, rations, tarpaulin, etc. So one of the NGOs, the MAA, these people, we coordinated with them. So they met up with the PM yesterday. They're based in Driketi. They came from the western side, from Drasa. So you can see that's all the stuff that. So we're coordinating with all of them. So we thought we'd bring some here and go to the other two villages.